I just received this package from Finalmouse. It's an UltralightX from batch 2, where apparently the build issues are fixed. And you know something that really threw me for a loop in my original video about this? Is that so many people push that to the side, like, who cares? I still want the mouse. I'm still getting the mouse. You're spending $200 for a product that is not pristine. I don't understand that. What am I missing here? Is hype blinding people that much? Again, when I'm spending my hard-earned money, I want a quality product. And hopefully that's what we have here. And that's what we're gonna find out together here, because as you see, I have not opened a mouse, or heck, even the package. Now before we pop this open, I also want to share a message I received from Finalmouse here. They are stating, this is a Phantom unit directly from Lot 2. And just for the record, it's not cherry-picked. It's the same unit as everyone else is getting. But is it strawberry picked? All right, so let's go on and get this opened up. And again, I just want to show you here again, this is completely sealed. I have not opened it yet or anything. I'm not trying to fluff this up. That's not my style. You know, I like to keep it raw. And again, let you guys know what you're getting here. So let's slice this open here. You know, I was hoping they would send me some strawberries. What do we got? Oh, that's that little paperwork they give you. Bubble wrap. Bubbled up real nice. And oh, they sent me a blue one. Come on, Finalmouse. You know Techne doesn't like blue. My previous one was the gold one. So I don't know if that's a difference. Anyways, let's look at this right here. So we can see we are sealed. Doesn't look removed or anything. As you can see, does look like it is completely attached. Right there. Doesn't look removed or anything like that. Let's go on and slice it open now and see what we get. Again, kind of a stinker that I got the blue one. I honestly like the gold one a little bit better. There we are in our box. Let's get the mouse out. There's our dongle right down there, but that was never an issue. It was all the mouse. Let me see here. No flex. No flex there. Oh, I do have flex on the right side. Okay, well, let me see if you guys can see. It is an absolute mild amount. Let me get the focus on right in the middle. If you can see right here, you can see that shell splitting out from right there. There is a mild flex. You can clear as day see it attaching to the side shell and then going back in. By the way, you all remember that sticker I mentioned on the bottom of the mouse? As you can see, it is still there. And I think some people had a misunderstanding of it. It's not that hair and crumbs are going to be on it and add weight. Like, who really cares about that, right? But as you get more stuff built up down there, it's just going to create more friction on your pad. If you got one hair that's coming over there, coming across your skate, you're going to feel that friction. Now, as you can see, it is not fixed or corrected on batch 2, but Finalmouse did let me know that it will be fixed and correct on batch 3. So are the batch 2 UltralightX's from Finalmouse better than batch 1? My first mouse was a mess. I mean, I could barely press it and it would just flex in with my pinky. Even though this one has flex, some people may be saying, oh, hey man, I'm just nitpicking again. You might be blinded by the hype. But talking about a product having a little bit of flex and you can see that give from the shell right out of the box, it's not that it's like that, because I can't even feel it right now. It's not an issue. My concern is over time. If it already has an issue out of the box, how is it going to be 6 months or a year or whatever down the road? That's my concern. And $200 buying a product with an issue out of the box is just beyond me. So my conclusion of the UltralightX batch 2, just wait for batch 5.